Hey, what's going on, everyone? Devin Canup, CEO and founder of Become Viral. I am doing a channel review for people that are either A, in my Facebook group, or B, they followed me on Twitter, actually. I did it on both, so I can just get more channels to look at. So if you guys want me to potentially do a channel review for your channel in the future, make sure to join my free Facebook group. The link will be down below. But with that being said, let me jump into the review. Okay, so this is the post that I had inside of the group. Like I said, go make sure to join the Facebook group. Inside of there, we're at a total of 2,500 members in the group almost now. So it's been awesome. We've been growing like pretty rapidly. So make sure to go join there. And then also, this was the tweet that I threw up as well. Make sure to go follow me on Twitter as well, at DevinCNP. So we'll start off the top. First channel that I have here. This one has 80 subscribers, 19 videos. So I'll be honest, I have not formed an opinion on shorts yet with like the new setup that they have. So I'm just kind of mentioning this now with when we look at the next few channels here. Because I saw, like, I know a few of them will probably have some shorts. So as far as like I said, shorts, I think they're good for branding. I really don't know how these affect the algorithm. I know a lot more people are doing it now. If anything, it does good for kind of getting your face out there a little bit more, getting you more traffic. I have seen some channels do pretty successful. So I don't have like a formula for this. I'm not going to say go do shorts or don't go do shorts. Like I said, I haven't formed a belief or an opinion, and I can't really advise you off those. So, go feel it, try it. But anyways, I look at more of the long format content. So that's how I make all my money. That's how I'm successful. Yeah. So anyways, so as far as this channel, Wealth Whispers, so this guy, I like what he has going on. It seems like he has some decent content. And I don't usually, when I do channel reviews, like look at the content too. I'm more so focused on the outside looking in. I feel like the dark rise and fall of Andrew Tate and just being on YouTube. I mean, he made this 7 months ago, so maybe he rode the trend with this. The main thing is just this guy's definitely a newer creator. He's only uploaded like 3 videos. Maybe he has been around for a bit. He needs more content. Like, it's taken him 7 months to get 3 videos out. I bet around like video 10, 15, 20, this guy will start to get really good. But the main thing is just this guy's taking a long time. It seems like really good content, like I said. You got the rise of Alex Ramosi. I mean, he'd probably be a little bit better on the thumbnail, just outside looking at it. The other thing I would look for, which I think this guy does it pretty well inside of here, or I can tell he knows, is he has very contextual clips. He shows what's being shown. I'll show you guys a quick little 2 seconds of the video. I don't have the audio set up, but
Andrew Tate is the hottest person on social media right now. He's Googled more than Joe Biden, Floyd the poll runner, and even Kim Kardashian. How did he go from niche micro celebrity?
So he's showing contextual clips, he's showing the data, he's showing information, he's showing real stuff. I see like what some of the channels we'll probably see here in a second. They're not very good as far as they show very far off clips that have nothing to do with the content. Just like some story blocks type content. But the main thing is he has 30-minute videos. That's awesome. The main thing is just really hooking the viewer, making sure they're engaging. When you have longer videos like this, you need a lot of pattern disrupts to kind of make your content better and stuff. But this seems like a good direction. I feel like this guy's probably editing himself. He just needs to go make more content. At his current rate, I did the math earlier. It's like if he does, if it's taken on 7 months to make 3 videos, it takes him about 2 1/3 of a month, 2 months and 10 days to make a video. And so at this rate, if you were to go, if I were to advise him to go make another 20 videos, it's going to take him about 4 years to get to where he needs to be. And so my recommendations for this guy is either make more content or put more emphasis, more time into this. Wait, let's show. Let's call this. Mainly, this guy needs to just put more time into his content. He's, like I said, try to get a video out once a month, maybe even once every few weeks or so. It's going to take way too long with this current rate. And so I quit doing the shorts, quit worrying about that. It seems like this guy knows what he's doing. Just you need to make more content, dude. All right, so the next channel on my list here is Fresh Factor. Okay, so I was looking at this channel at first. And I was like, this is weird. This is terrible. Whatever. If this guy was original, I'm like, that's pretty impressive. To do a haircut channel. But what I found the channel that he based this off of. Let me see if I can find it real quick, actually. Okay, so for this channel explicitly, like he came up with, or for this channel, The Fresh Factor, he came up with the idea for the channel called On Point Fresh, which looks like a pretty decent channel. It's like a cool. I like that there's a new angle, a new way for doing like this whole self-help, red pill type stuff. I like it. I feel like it was kind of going weird a little bit there with like some channels like Titan Souls and stuff like that, or what is it, Far From Weak. So I like this one, how it's kind of like a little bit different angle and like showing the same stuff. I see what he's trying to do. He's trying to model the videos that they're doing. The main thing I would do is watch mainly these top 5 videos, understand why they do so well, and then just constantly like trying to work those. It looks like he's getting some decent results. Please don't get a buzz cut before watching this. Yeah, I think the execution, like it's so amazing that he gets such a like great results. And I know this video, like the content's like pretty mid. It's all right. He's just showing a lot of TikToks and like pictures of people like online. My thing I don't like is how short these videos are. So I would figure out how you can make this video like 10 minutes long, because you're not going to make very much in ad revenue doing like those short videos. And also you have a kind of a weird algorithm. Like a 2-minute video, you're not really getting paid much for 1 million views. Maybe like $1,500 for this video. Whereas like for like, if you did it for a 10-minute video, you could probably make, $3 grand, $4 grand, $5,000 for this video right here. So try to figure out how to make them longer.
Welcome back to our
That's what I would definitely do. And then yeah, just keep uploading videos. I mean, it seems like this guy definitely knows what he's doing. It looks like he had production issues for a few weeks. He's very inconsistent with production here. So just being consistent. I don't know the direction of this, but I will say like the results look pretty solid. At first, when I did see this, I was like, what? This doesn't make sense. But it does make sense though. So this guy definitely kind of knows what he's doing. You just gotta kind of stick with it there. And as far as like the upside of the niche, I don't really know how much money you can make with this. I was looking at the statistics of this channel, which let's see if I can get the vidIQ to load for me. Let's see. Come on. Oh, there's. Okay, so you can see the channel's got like 7 million views in the last 30 days. I don't know how many of it's shorts. It looks like he does a good amount of shorts. I don't like that you can't really see the.
$1,000 for what? This is exactly how I.
It doesn't really tell you when the upload date of these videos were on shorts. So I'm gonna say, let's say like in the last, the first channel stats, like 4 million came from his videos, his long format. If that's the case, this channel probably made. I mean, they have shorter videos, so what are they? How long are they? Like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. So this channel's probably done maybe $8,000 a month, 5 to 8. I'd be pretty reasonable with there. This guy could totally make like $15,000-$20,000 a month if he just did longer format videos. So that's why I'm like trying to make them longer. But that's pretty badass. I think that's pretty solid content, like pretty cool content strategy. I haven't seen this before, but as far as your channel, like main other thing is like model it like a lot closer with thumbnails and titles, or just kind of create your own style that you do on a repeat basis. You don't see this guy bumping around with like yellow fonts and different stuff like that. So either just model what he's doing like as close to a T as you can, or just like pick your own style and stick with it. You kind of have like 5 different format styles here for your thumbnails. Okay, so next channel on the list, what happens? So this channel, main thing is just, I saw that you did a space channel and then you went over to doing like a fitness health channel. Go upload this content on a new channel. The worst thing that could happen is like one of these old space videos blows up. Like you guys got the little how do you say it? The pun. You got the pun there. But like I would go start a new channel or delete the old videos or something. Because like if this SpaceX video blows up, YouTube's gonna try to recommend your new content and be like, what is this content? It doesn't know how to like work with it. So if you ever make a full 180 on a niche, go just start it on a new channel. Don't try to just save the old channel. Like I get it, you had 1,300 subscribers, or you might have bought this as a monetized channel. Just go start it on a new channel. Yeah, you definitely bought this as a monetized, I think. Okay. The other thing is these are just very oversaturated topics. It looks like you're just throwing shit at the wall, seeing what sticks. You want to go in with like an actual effective strategy, with a content strategy that you feel good about moving forward. I have students in the health niche that are making, $1,000 plus a month. I know this niche works. You just need to you need to be a little bit more intentional there. Beginnings, this channel is not monetized, interestingly enough. I wonder what's up with that. They probably could have started on a monetized channel. I saw this video that went viral. Like, the thing about this channel is like result, like decent, like okay. That video got 130,000 views. And then this video over here, I saw got 176,000 views. So basically, you had 2 videos that got all the results on the channel, if all the other ones were a waste of time and money, essentially. So here's the thing that I want to kind of pin down for you guys, is you could totally just make one video and get the same results of all of these videos and all of this time that was invested into this. And so you can kind of already see that with these results. The channel has a total of like 345,000 views, and 99% of those views came from 2 videos, or like 95% of them. So what you do is just stop doing whatever other shit that you're doing on this channel, and then just double down on what was working, which it looks like you did The Life of Scarlett Johansson after being Black Widow Avengers Beginnings. And then what was this one? From a beauty queen to first Asian Best Actress Oscar winner. So it looks like definitely the hot woman actresses, hot female actresses are like the ones that are working well for you. There, I would just find other women that are like those and just talk about what their life was like there. It just looks like a lot of these other videos were kind of, you need to like figure out the formula of these videos and then just stop doing all of the other content. Like you went from like actresses to queens to talking about Chanel to Roger Federer to, I mean, now you're going actors, actresses. I like that you're doubling down on what's working a little bit, but you need to really figure out why these videos did well, which I'm not going to go full synopsis here inside of here. It's pretty obvious if you just watch those videos versus the other ones. Okay. Andrew Reyes, dude, like, I don't know why you sent me this channel, like, not to be mean, but this isn't a YouTube channel. Okay. Cashman. I have these I see one of these channels like every so often. I think it was like a bigger thing that people did a year ago. Looks like you're getting some decent views. You're not monetized, it looks like 35,000. You haven't uploaded in 10 months. I don't know why you sent me this channel. It looks like you kind of gave up on it. Main thing is just, I don't know. Like, I don't like this. Like, this niche is kind of stupid to me. Like, as in, like, why would you take like advice on how to make money from random channels? Like, just go become a marketer at this point. Like, go do this with your face on the camera. Like, I know you're trying to do Faceless, or go make like some other type of channel. Like, I know there are some channels that are getting results of this. Like, go do affiliate marketing. Go focus on like the money side of things. And, you know, like, as far as the results on the channel, you need to keep uploading. Maybe you get some decent affiliate commissions or something like that. But these channels usually work better as like a personal brand, I found. I try to stay away from channels that work better as a personal brand. Okay. So next one right here, Sporty Hoops. So this channel is impressive to me. Why? Is because they've been doing it for 3 years. I mean, I haven't gone back to their oldest upload, so that's just an assumption there. But we could go down, just keep scrolling. So they've been doing this for a long time. They have hundreds of videos. We'll just say, yeah, they've been doing it for 3 years because they have 5.4 videos. And they probably made about, like right now, they're making about probably $40 a month. Impressive. So what I would do is, like, and it looks like you're getting some decent views here on your videos. Your most viewed video has 13,000 views, which was a news video. The crazy thing is you can make one video that does like more views than all of you've had in the last 3 years and however much money that you've invested into this channel. You can make one video, maybe it takes you a month to make it, and it would get more results and probably cost like a fraction of whatever it took here. So this, you need to, like, you're just like wasting money at this point. Like, after that long, like, it seems like you're someone with like some hope here, but you need to like reevaluate things and ask yourself if this makes sense. I've had a lot of people come to me with similar situations to this. I get it. You like believe in this stuff. You're persistent. You just need to focus on your content strategy and have someone that probably, like, since you've been doing this so long, this is like a habit you've built and a mindset. You need someone to help you at this point, because this is just, you're just like probably like, this is just these results are like pretty, like, not to say it's a waste, but you are wasting money now at this point. Like, you're just wasting money. Like, usually within 10 videos, you should get more than views than this when you work with me. Like, this is pretty rough. Okay.
We're going to take a look.
Designated. Hello, folks. Welcome.
Okay. And then last but not least, last channel on my list here, Dizzy White. This channel doesn't look like an actual YouTube channel. Go watch some YouTube and then ask yourself if you think this is okay. You should not be getting like 3 views on a video, or even no views. Like, this is just you just uploading videos for fun. So there you have it. That was the channels for today. There was a couple, like I said, they're just kind of wasted time. But there's a couple on there that they look like they have some decent potential. And so if you're someone that wants a little bit more handheld help, feel free to, or we have a free Facebook group link down below where I give out lots of cool stuff like this video. My Facebook group is going to see this video actually before YouTube does. And then on top of that, it's a free group. We don't charge anything inside there. And if you want to get on a call with my team and then we can see how we can best serve you and like actually help your channel get some actual results, feel free to book a call. Like, yeah, you go apply to see if it makes sense to work together and book a call with my team. So with that being said, I'll see you guys all in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.